Hey, you know that placing ads can be very costly, especially if done incorrectly. Well, in this video, I'm going to share my screen with you and show you how to place a free ad and get free traffic to this ad. So if you're new to online marketing and you have no following and little money, do yourself a favor, don't waste your money on paid ads just yet. So if you want to watch me build a free ad with free traffic, then I will see you back in a second. So if you like videos with no fluff and straight to the point, make sure to hit that bell notification so you can get notified of new content that I upload every Thursday. And I'm back in here with another beginning tutorial on how to place a free ad and send free traffic to it. This method will also help beginners sharpen their skills on copywriting so that you're able to sell your products or affiliate products or services. Because if you don't know the psychology behind why they say yes, and you don't have the skills to persuade and influence people to buy your stuff, then you're wasting your money on paid advertisement. So if you're ready to get started, make sure to give me a like and let's dive right into today's training.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to thefreeadforum.com. Now, a lot of people come here looking for different stuff. So when they come to this forum, they'll type in whatever it is that they're looking for. So for example, lose weight, and they'll be presented with all of these different types of ads that people have going on. So let me show you a few of the categories here. So what you want to do is go with a popular category. So for example, here's business opportunities. If you can see, these are all the people that come, and these are the number of people that come to see this particular business opportunity. Here's some work from home, here's ebooks, here's health. So you definitely want to go where the traffic is going. So you don't want to go with categories that don't have a lot of traffic. Like this one has 24 people that come to visit it. So you definitely want to go where traffic is coming. So you could build an ad anywhere in here. I'm going to click on work from home. You're going to see all the different types of ads right in here that people have. Okay, so these are all the different ads, and you can definitely come and check them out, get ideas on how to put it together and stuff. So what you would do is just pick one of them by clicking either on the image or on the title. So once you click it, it'll open up the ad, and here you'll be able to scroll down. You'll be able to see that he's got a video in there. All of this is really, really easy to put together. So if you wanted to contact him, then you could definitely do it by clicking his link right in here. Let me show you what not to do when you're placing an ad in this forum. So let's click on this title here. So first of all, he doesn't have an image. So I would definitely include an image. So what I see wrong here is if you click on his link, it takes him straight to the vendor. Now, these are things that you do not want to do. And the reason why, it's because you're leaving yourself out of the equation, meaning that you paid for these leads to come in to see your ad. Though you're doing free ads through this forum, you are going to lose contact forever with the lead that clicked on your link. So if he was to buy, yes, you'll make a commission. But if you were to have an autoresponder where you could house your subscribers' emails, then you can later communicate with them and send other promotions in a very strategic way. So what I suggest that you do is, my advice to all affiliate marketers out there is to have a two-step funnel in place. So the purpose of a two-step funnel is to collect your subscribers' email and then present them with an offer. So that way you are going to be building a list that you can later, so in other words, it's your own community of people that you can later communicate with, teach if you want to, on a budget. Then you can definitely build you a two-step funnel within Getresponse if you decide to try them out. So that's my advice to you. Never send your lead directly to your vendor's sales funnel, because you will be leaving yourself out of the equation and losing that customer forever. So my advice is to build you a two-step funnel. And before you do that, we definitely have to go pick out a product. And the reason why is because your two-step funnel should pretty much be very similar to your vendor's sales funnel. And the reason why, it's because when the person sees your ad or sees your opt-in, you want it to basically be very congruent with your sales funnel, because you want to keep them on the funnel for as long as you can. So you want them to, go on to the next step and the next step. You're not only going to be making money in the front end, but they can also have products in the back end that you're going to be making money from. So you definitely want to keep your customer, keep clicking through your sales funnels. Let's take a look at a product really quick, and just make this really quick so that you can understand. So if you don't know how to use ClickBank, I do have a video here that you can check out on how to use ClickBank, but you're going to be in the marketplace for pretty much, or you can find products in here, in this area here. You can click on this little magnifying glass, and it's going to take you straight to all the products. Now, here is a very hot product right here, the Cinderella solution. And if you go with products with over 50% gravity, that means this is a very popular product and it's selling fairly well. So what you want to do, let's say you've already decided to go with the Cinderella solution. You're going to find all of your affiliate promotions here. So like images, email swipes, pretty much anything that you need to help you succeed in promoting this product. So what you want to do is go look at the sales page, because what we're going to get is the color scheme. What colors are they using, so that, and what wording are they using, so that we could do the same thing, and we're not making up stuff, and we're not overly hyping the product, because that is one of ClickBank's requirements, that you do not mislead your customer into believing something that is not. So you definitely want to be very congruent in what you're typing in your colors. So we're going to go in here to read. We do not want to watch the video. Some people will opt in to watch the video. Some people will opt in to read. So basically we've got some pink in here, we've got white letters with some yellow, and then we can also grab some of these, the title, and so making sure that everything is pretty much the same, congruent, like I said. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a Chrome extension right here. If you see this Chrome extension, if you go to colorzilla.com, it's going to give you the Chrome download, and then you're able to copy any color onto your project. So whether you're using Canva or you're using pretty much anything that you want to, you want the same color, you can use this. So what you would do is you would click on the little icon here, and then you place your cursor wherever it is that you're trying to color. So if you can see, if I place it over the yellow, it's going to give me the yellow. And then I'm going to come over to my email marketing, and I'm going to start to build out my form. Now, I'm not going to train you on how to build out a form, because this is not a training on how to build a form. So I already have one ready right in here. So the person sees this right here. They'll put their name in, they'll put their email address, they'll want in. Once they do that, then they're going to be taken to the next page, which is going to be a thank you page. Now, this thank you page will lead them to go check their email so that they can confirm their email. And one of the reasons I do it this way, it's because if you put the link in here, providing them with the product, then they might not go confirm your email. And so therefore, if they do come back a week later to your email, they might not remember who you were, and then you'll end up getting deleted and never confirmed. So definitely don't put the product in here. What you want to do is have them go check their email, and then you'll want to email them all the product information, which is going to be the link, just a little introduction about you, who you are, and sending them directly to what they opted in for. So once that's in place, then you'll want to publish this, and once it's published, you're going to get that link. Now that link is going to be this one right here. If you right click it, you're going to copy the link address, and that's the link that you're going to build your ad on. So once you have your product in place, your opt-in, your two-step opt-in, then you'll want to come create your ad. So the way that you do this is you would go back to the freeadforum.com, and you're going to create a free account. This is also a free account. You'll register for free and confirm it. Once that's done, then you're going to come back to log in. So you would click on this little red button here to create your free ad. Now, the thing about free ads is that it's going to get pushed down fairly quick, kind of like Facebook posting. So people are posting on a daily basis. So if you're doing free ads, you're going to get pushed down. So my best suggestion is for you to create several ads with different images. That way you can post these on a daily basis. Or if you want to do their $5 deal, they do have where you pay $5 and they will have you on the homepage continuously for up to 90 days. So you would basically rotate with other people that are paying that $5. But my suggestion to you is just to kind of start out for free and kind of get the feel of how to create ads by checking others out and see how they word theirs and stuff like that. So we're going to go in here quickly and publish a free ad. So now remember the categories. We want to go with a category that is has a lot of traffic. So we're going to stick to the health, and you're going to title it depending on what this is. We're going to call it this a simple two-step ritual that guarantees shocking daily weight loss. So that's what we're going to name this. Once you get your title down, then you're going to come down to the description and kind of find some stuff in here that you can use that can stand out. Like they do have some bullet points. So if you scroll all the way down, so what you want to do is basically do a little bit of research on the product by looking at their sales page, look at everything they offer, and that's how you can come up with all of the different bullet points so that you're not overly hyping anything. So remember, we want to use what is on the sales page. So here it is. So we've got these right here. So we've got several bullet points right in here that you can definitely use in your ads or right in here. You can type them all out. And so once that's done, then since you are doing a two-step opt-in, you're going to type free. They're not paying for anything here. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, right in here, this is where you're going to drop your image. So if they have resources, which they do, if you go back to their description here, you're going to go under the affiliate page. And if you go under the affiliate page, you're going to find all of their different resources. Here is links, here's banners, so here's all of their images that you can use. Here's their Facebook ad kit, so if you decide to do a paid ad, they do have their kit here that you can download. They have email swipes. Once we pick out your images have to be 1,000 by 800. So you definitely want to pick an image that's similar or close. You'll click on here. It is going to take you straight into your computer, and so that way you can pick an image. Once you've picked it, then it'll drop right in here. And so once you drop your image in there, then you're going to put in what country do you want to advertise. So you can definitely advertise wherever you want. You can advertise in your country. You can advertise in your city. You can advertise, you do have to, unfortunately, this is one thing that you don't advertise to the whole United States or your 5 English speaking countries like you would in a regular Facebook ad. So here you're gonna have to pick, like say if you have 4 ads lined up for the same product, then you can tackle different countries or different cities or different regions. So you can do it that way as well. So one, you do not have to put your email address. You can put some keywords in here. You do not have to put your phone number in there. And here is where you're going to put in your link. This is where your two-step link is going to go. Now, if you want to take them straight to the affiliate page, then this is where you would put the affiliate page URL. But like I said, that is not recommended. But it's up to you however you want to do it. And in here, they're going to offer you some upsells on, different amounts. Like for instance, if you pay $5, then your ad's it's going to be running for 90 days. Highlighted item, I don't know if you noticed that some of them were highlighted in yellow. Now you can get your ad highlighted in yellow for $5 for 90 days, or you can apply everything on here, and for $20 you get the whole 9 yards. $20 and you get all of these premium features. But if you want to place a free ad, which is what I suggest, that way you can kind of get the feel of how to place ads, then you want to start here, and then you'll click publish. Once that's published, they'll send you an email letting you see your link, what it's going to look like. And so that way you can, once it's posted and published, you can still go back and add it. So don't worry if you get it, you get it emailed to you and then you find that you made a mistake on a spelling or something. So therefore you can definitely go back and edit it anytime, and you can do that by going into my account and then looking for that particular ad. And once you find that particular ad, then you'll want to click the edit button. And here's one that I've got running. So you would click delete. You can go in here and pretty much edit anything that you would like. to edit.
Now it's your turn. Drop me a comment below. Let me know, can you see how this can help you place paid advertisement in the future with like Facebook, Google ads, and so forth. So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, as this helps me stay motivated to bring more free content for beginners to help their business journey with ease. So if you want to know more about ClickBank, make sure to watch that next video up in the cards or down in the description box. Again, my name is Sylvia with SylviaCbriones.com. I will see you in that next video.